Print headers on every page. Have you ever printed a long Excel worksheet, only to find that the header row appears on the first page, but disappears on the following pages? Without the column headers, the printed report can quickly become difficult to read. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy methods to keep your table headers visible when printing Excel worksheets. Let's start with Excel's built-in feature. Go to the Page Layout tab. Click Print Titles. The Page Setup dialog box opens. In the Rows to Repeat at top field, click the Range selector. Select the header row. Then press Enter. Click OK. Now click File, Print to open Print Preview. As you can see, the header row is repeated automatically at the top of every printed page. Print Titles works exactly as expected by repeating the header row on every page. However, if your worksheet is long and contains only a few columns, each page may still leave a lot of unused space. If you'd like to make better use of the printed page while keeping the headers visible, Kutools for Excel offers a more flexible printing option. After installing Kutools for Excel, go to Kutools Plus, Split to Columns. The Split to Columns dialog box appears. First, select the titles range. Then select the data range you want to print. If you're working with a large data range, select the first row. Then press Ctrl, Shift and down arrow to select all the data. You can specify how many rows to include on each printed page, giving you full control over the print layout. If your worksheet is long and narrow, increase the number of segments. For this example, set it to 2. Click OK. Kutools creates a new print-ready worksheet without changing the original data. Now open Print Preview. As you can see, the data is arranged into 2 sections on the same page, and each section includes its own header row. This allows you to fit more data on each printed page, making the report easier to read while reducing paper usage. That's how you can keep table headers visible on every printed page in Excel. Thanks for watching.